everyone! My name is Mimi and welcome to my home-based story kung saan lagi tayong nagsishare ng mga bagong videos regarding work from home and earn from home apps. Kaya naman kung bago kayo sa ating channel, please consider subscribing. Ayan, so guys, alam naman nating lahat na ever since the pandemic started, nag-boom ang online selling, di ba? Kasi syempre, hindi tayo pwedeng lumabas ng bahay. It's much better to have the goods and services delivered to our house kasi mas safe. Gusto kong ituro sa inyo guys kung paano nyo pwedeng pagkakitaan or i-capitalize and take advantage yung online selling boom. Since dadami guys talaga yung digital buyers by next year. So one way is through dropshipping. So ano nga ba guys si dropshipping? So in a classic setting, kung kayo ay magse-set up ng inyong shop, kukunin nyo yung mga products nyo guys doon sa supplier, ilalagay nyo sa shop nyo, and your buyers can shop in your shop. Diba? For dropshipping, it's a little bit different, wherein yung shop nyo is mainly used for marketing, para ipakita sa buyers kung ano ba yung mga pwede nilang bilhin. And the supplier will be the one to ship out the goods directly to the buyer. So, hindi nyo kailangan ng warehouse, hindi nyo kailangan ng physical store para mag-imbak ng goods. Ang kailangan nyo lang talaga is ipakita kay buyer yung mga products na ibinebenta nyo and si supplier na yung bahalang mag-ship sa kanila. So, syempre, si supplier, binibenta niya yung goods at a lower price. And, ima-markup mo siya ng kaunti and yung difference ng price na yon, yun yung magiging profit mo. So, of course, the more goods and the more products that you can sell, then the more profit for you. I would like to make this video para doon sa mga beginners dun sa idea ng dropshipping. So, papasimplihin natin lahat, but we're gonna cover as much as possible, including what are the requirements in setting up a shop, how to start setting up a shop, getting your first order, how much can you earn in a shop. So, may papakita ko sa inyong live na store and papakita rin nila sa atin kung magkano ba yung kikita nila in just 1 week. Of course, the last, what are the pros and cons is drop shipping for you. So, i-cover natin lahat yan. Kaya stay with me until the end of our video. Okay, so guys, start muna tayo sa basics. AliExpress. So, pag magda-dropship kayo, dapat meron kayong AliExpress account. So, si AliExpress ay isa siyang app, para siyang si Lazada. They're based in China. Doon mina-manufacture lahat ng goods nila. And super mura, lalo na kung mag-wholesale or bulk shopping kayo sa kanila. So, si AliExpress, it's a subsidiary of Alibaba. Sila yung nagiging provider ng mga products that are being dropshipped worldwide. So, ang customers nyo could be anywhere from the world. So, meron kasi mga advantages sa AliExpress compared to other platforms kung saan pwede kayong bumili ng products. Una, si AliExpress, yung mga products nila, pwede nyong gamitin yung images, yung videos, yung reviews, yung description, and ilagay yun sa website nyo. So, hindi na kayo mag-iisip kung ano nga ba yung mga description na pwede nyo gamitin or mga photos kasi nandun na lahat. Ika-copy nyo na lang siya sa website na gagawin ninyo and pwede nyo na siyang ibenta at markupan from there. Second, maraming wholesalers kay AliExpress. So, makukuha natin siya ng mas mababang presyo. Apart doon, napakarami yung pwedeng pagpilian. So, anything under the sun is almost in AliExpress. If you wanna check it out, their app is free. You can download it. And they also deliver worldwide. And meron silang free shipping options. Ngayon guys, for this particular tutorial, I'm gonna introduce you to Ali Dropship. Ali Dropship is a company na nag-o-offer ng effective automated solutions for dropshipping business with AliExpress. So, hindi mo na kailangang matutong mag-aral kung paano mag-import ng products from AliExpress to your website. Hindi mo na kailangang pag-aralan yung coding, yung pag-i-install ng mga plugin. Everything will be done by Ali Dropship for you. That's why I really like this particular platform kasi very beginner-friendly siya para dun sa mga gustong mag-start mag-dropship pero na-overwhelm sa sobrang daming technicalities na kasama ng pagsiset-up ng website, pag-market ng product, pagsiset-up ng plugins, ng payments, ng shipping. So, I know this is not simple but Ali Dropship makes it really simple for you. So, if you wanna check it out, I'll put the link below. Ito, mapakita ko sa inyo guys, itong site na to. It's a sports equipment website. It's built through Ali Dropship. Yung mga products dyan are from AliExpress. Ito yung kinita nila in just 1 week for this particular shop. This particular niche or website earns about $2,000. We're talking about 100,000 pesos. $2,000 in just 1 week. 1 week lang, guys. So, kita nyo dyan from July 1 to July 8, yan yung kinita nung website na yan. Shinare nila sa atin yung earnings dashboard nila to encourage everyone na, yun nga, pwede tayong kumita sa dropshipping. Okay, so ano bang requirement? Kailangan meron kang PayPal account. Walang COD, guys, sa dropships. So, everything will be done virtually. And then, you'll also need an AliExpress account. And then, kung gusto nyo mag-go sa mas madaling paraan, hindi nyo na kailangan mag-set up or mag-do-it-yourself from scratch, then you can go with Ali Dropship as well. So, how to start? Syempre, pinakauna, you have to make a commitment, a decision. You have to dedicate time to learn things, learn the how-abouts from this. Once you've already decided, you have to think of which products or which niche you'd like. Just decide which one is the closest to or pinaka-familiar sa'yo. Ayan. Which one you're passionate about. Kasi syempre, it's easier for you to market that product and mas gamay mo kung paano siya i-market sa mga audience or sa mga prospective buyers mo online. Like I said, you can always do it yourself. You can start from scratch. You have to buy a domain name with hosting para ma-host nila yung shop mo, and ma-set up mo yung mga payment and shipping methods and all that. I would suggest we go with Ali Dropship because sobrang dali lang, hassle-free, lalo na if we're gonna select yung premium store nila. Ano ba yung premium store ni Ali Dropship? It's basically a store that they have already proven working and yung kumikita na, and they are offering an exact copy of that store. So, ika-copy lang nila yung store, products, everything, guys. The reviews are also gonna be there. And it's gonna be yours. So, you can set up that same store and bahala ka nang mag-market sa audience mo kung paano mo siya ibebenta. Okay, ang kagandahan sa premium store, one-time payment lang siya, guys. Hindi siya magiging monthly recurring payment. At hindi mo na kailangan maghanap ng supplier. So, one of the things kasi that I found hard when I started looking into dropshipping is finding suppliers. They already have a reliable supplier na nakaset up. You can choose from different shops. Ito yung mga certain niche na available sa kanila right now. And then, meron kang 3 options. Una, pure copy. So, but if you need help in installing yung hosting and domain, yung mga plugins, then you can select their copy and installation package. Isa-set up na din nila yung payment gateway for you. The last one is copy plus marketing package. Everyone knows naman that Facebook ads is a little bit tricky when you're setting it up. So, tuturuan ka nila kung paano i-set up yon, and they'll help you to start it off. And from there, pwede mo nang i-start agad yung shop mo. Or pwede ka nang mag-accept ng order and kumita agad. What do you do when you get your first order? Okay, so once, guys, na nakuha nyo na yung first order nyo, punta lang kayo sa orders tab sa inyong dashboard and you can order it from the supplier. So, orderin nyo yung same item kay supplier and si supplier na yung bahalang mag-ship kay customer. So, you can track it with the shipping code na pinadala sa inyo ni suppliers. Makikita nyo rin yun dun sa inyong dashboard. Once na na-fulfill na yan, papasok na rin yan sa inyong PayPal account. So, once na nasa PayPal account yun na, then pwede nyo na siyang i-bank transfer sa inyong local bank here in the Philippines. Okay, now, so pag-usapan natin, guys, yung pros and cons sa dropshipping. So, maraming benefits sa dropshipping, guys. Una, it's very easy and cheap to set up and manage compared sa regular shop. So, medyo mas mababa rin yung risk ni dropshipping kasi hindi ikaw yung nagme-maintain ng inventory. Si supplier pa rin yung nagme-maintain. All you have to do really is, again, market the product. And maganda pa rin dito, you can run this business from anywhere. Hindi limited yung inyong buyers. Because, again, this is an online shop. And walang limit dun sa profit scale or yung patong ninyo. Syempre, wag naman super taas, diba? Kailangan nyo parang i-gauge kung affordable pa rin ba yan at tama pa rin ba yung pagkapresyo nyo sa inyong items. And ang maganda kay dropshipping, since you're just at home and you can do this from anywhere, you can do this as a side gig. Side gig lang siya. Pwedeng habang may day job ka, pwede ka pa rin maging dropshipper. Lahat naman ng bagay ay may mga pros and cons nga, diba? Ano yung mga pitfalls or ano yung cons ng dropshipping? Una, reliable supplier. So, like I said, when I first look into dropshipping, medyo na-turn off ako, guys. Kasi, mahirap maghanap ng suppliers. And then, second, mataas din yung level of competition. So, syempre, marami ng dropshippers worldwide. You should know, syempre kung starter or beginner ka pa lang like me, dapat pag-aralan mo pa rin guys yung ano ba yung magandang i-market, paano nila minamarket ito para mas makabenta sila. And then, the last one, since you're not managing the inventory, you don't see the product, pwedeng maging sakit ng ulo ang shipping and inventory management. Minsan may mga delay sa shipping, so kailangan mong i-pacify yung iyong buyer. And then, of course, the customer service, you also have to know how to properly manage it. So, ganyan naman, kahit naman sa traditional store, kailangan talaga is, hindi ka lang basta nagbebenta ng product. You have to step up and make sure na yung after sales and yung customer service, kailangan talaga maganda yung treatment sa mga customers or sa buyers. Okay, so guys, if you're still in doubt, here is an example of one Filipino. He's from Baguio City. His name is Chanong. And nag-start siya magbenta, guys. Keychain lang yung binenta niya sa dropshipping. If you wanna read more about how he became successful in dropshipping, I'll put the link down below so you can get to know him and get to see how dropshipping really is effective, especially for Filipinos. For a more recent proof of earning, pwede nyo din i-check itong story ng dalawang work-at-home moms who made a $1 million per year store via Ali Dropship. And there you go guys, I don't really wanna keep you more. I hope nagustuhan nyo yung topic natin ngayon. It's been requested for a long time. Hindi ko lang siya talaga magawa ng video kasi I myself was a little bit hesitant at first. But I can see now that dropshipping is one of the ways that we can earn more than just a side gig income. And malaki yung potential niya, especially in the upcoming years. It's like an upgrade or an extra level up. Extra level up from online selling, di ba? And sana na-convince ko kayo kahit paano to see light in dropshipping. And if you want to look into Ali Dropship, they also have economical options apart from their premium stores. I'll put the link down below. Just check it out. They have a lot of materials for guiding you in starting your own store. So, free yan guys. So, walang bayad. Pwede nyong i-check out lahat ng articles nila. They've made videos. They've made pictograms. So, napaka-helpful for me when I check out their site. So, make sure you check it out. And I will see you guys again next week for another Earn From Home video. Bye!